Namaste. This is JVN Dr. Minakshi Soni, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. My Department of Homeopathic Repertory. This is my session number 33. The topic is contribution of Dr. C.M. Bogar. Doctor Bogar knew homeopathic philosophy fluently, and his goal was to devote all his time to teaching and writing. He frequently lectured before scientific audience at Pulte Medical College in Cincinnati, was a teacher of philosophy, materia medica, and repertory at American Foundation for Homeopathy Postgraduate School since its third year in 1924. He was a devoted student of Dr. Boningas and worked persistently from early 1933 till the end of his life and on translating, compiling, expanding Boningas and characteristic repertory, which translated into the English language in 1905. His outstanding contribution to the homeopathic system was the coordinating and compiling of significant feature of seemingly disassociated symptom groups in his synoptic key of materia medica. This is बोगर synoptic key के नाम से जिसे हम जानते हैं. This is the great contribution of Dr. C.M. Bogar in the field of homeopathy. Dr. Bogar was a member of West Virginia Homeopathic Society, in which he served as president and also member of International Honeymanian Association, being elected vice president of Nigeria Fall Division. Short list of his famous publications: Bonninghausen Characteristics and Repertory, Bonninghausen Antisoric Repertory, Synoptic Key of Materia Medica, a General Analysis with Card Index, Bogar Diphtheria. These are the contribution of Dr. C.M. Bogar. He passed away on September 2nd, 1935 at the age of 74 from food poisoning after eating a can of home preserved tomatoes. We can salute Dr. Bogar great efforts and contribution in his honor. Here is a quote from him: all sickness present two classes of manifestations, those by which they are determined or named, the diagnostic symptom, those peculiar to individual and case, often seemingly having no bearing upon the illness, hence called idiosyncratic symptoms. Reference books are Essential of Repertorization by Shashikant Tiwari, Repair by Khanaj, Bogar, Bonigas and Characteristic Repertory. Thank you. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in the comment box. I will resolve it quickly.